What every beginner should know about the keto diet. You may have heard that the keto diet works wonders for fat loss, and you're eager to try it. However, there's just too much info floating around, and you don't know where to start. In this video, you'll be given the bare facts simplified so that you have an idea of what the diet is all about and can decide if it's right for you. The keto diet is fat-based. The keto diet is very high in fat, and your macros will roughly be made up of 70 to 80% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and about 2 to 5% carbs. Most keto dieters do not exceed 50 grams of carbs a day. Contrary to popular belief, eating fats is not detrimental to your health. In fact, it's very beneficial, but you must only eat the good fats. Keto breaks your addiction to carbs. The biggest obstacle people face when embarking on most other diets is their food cravings. Since their diets contain carbs, they get these cravings and hunger pangs. The keto diet puts an end to the problem by breaking your addiction to carbohydrates. Burn fat instead of carbs. Most people burn glucose for fuel. This glucose comes from carbs. When you're on a keto diet, your body converts fats into ketones and burns the ketones for fuel. Your body runs much more efficiently on ketones. Since you're using fat for fuel, your body will burn up your fat stores more rapidly. This is one reason why people lose more weight with the keto diet than any other diet. The keto diet is easy to stick to. Unlike the paleo diet that is very strict, with the keto diet, you have much more freedom to eat foods you love. Butter, bacon, nuts, coconut oil, olive oil, salmon, fatty meats, etc. are all recommended in the keto diet. The higher the fat macros, the better. Keto meals are often tasty, and you'll not feel like you're eating cardboard while on the diet. Anti-aging properties with keto. The keto diet helps burn off tumors because the body is low in glucose. Your skin will be radiant, and you'll feel much lighter. Since processed foods are not encouraged in the keto diet, most of your food will be single-ingredient foods, which are nutritious and beneficial to your health. The keto diet has been shown to improve brain health too. This is important as you age. Increased energy with keto. One of the best benefits of keto is the abundant energy you feel when you're burning ketones for fuel. You'll not be lethargic, and it will seem as if a brain fog has been lifted. You'll have better sleep, more energy for your workouts, and have better concentration. You'll not have cravings for sugar or sweet foods when on a keto diet. During the first 4 to 7 days, you may yearn for some carbs and sweet foods. However, once your body goes into ketosis, you'll not have these cravings anymore. Unlike other diets where you'll still be burning glucose for fuel, you'll always have cravings for sugary foods and end up binging at night. This is one reason why so many diets fail. The dieter has not weaned himself or herself off using glucose as a fuel source. By now, you should have an idea of what the keto diet is. This diet has been proven to work, and while it will require a change in your eating habits, once you make the change, you'll be glad you did. Also, if you want to possibly accelerate your weight loss results, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching!